Good morning madume, dumelang, sanibonani. Ngethemba siyaphila sonke. Hope you all well. Today we're going to be dealing with chapter 4 of the basic conditions of employment, which is about the particulars of employment and remuneration. Right? Then let's go to the application of this chapter. Number 1, this chapter does not apply to an employee who works less than 24 hours a month for an employer. Number 2, section 29, subsection 1 and O and P, 30, 31 and 33 do not apply to an employer who employs fewer than 5 employees. Right, let's keep that in mind. Then number 29, written particulars of employment. Number 1, an employer must supply an employee when the employee commences employment